this is the right hand part for Midnight Express. So again, with C minor, you're going to have your B flat and your E flat and your A flat. So we'll just go through that line by line as those pop up. We'll talk about that. So your first thing with your right hand is you have your rest. So we start on D and E flat. So we have this nice little clashy thing at the beginning. So again, E flat, find E, the very next note to the left, okay? So rest, 2, rest, 4, rest, 2, rest, 4. And a little scale. Okay, so that's the first line. Together sounds like this. So it's really fun. And then our second line, we have kind of these steps again. When I said scale, I just meant like steps. Now here's the part where we're going down to that A flat, just like you're going to the left hand, only it is going to be the A flat right below middle C. So you find your A flat. So those are what I call ledger lines. They extend below. So middle C, where at the beginning at measure 5, you see there's one line through it. You skip down to A flat, and that's why you have those 2 lines there. It's like the staff is extending. So it's going to go A flat, B flat, C, B flat, A flat. So that's how it goes. The next one, you're going to do that same kind of sequence, but you're going to start on a B flat this time. B flat, C, D, C, B flat. Okay. So how that sounds together in the right hand at the beginning, square 5. So it's kind of like, yeah, it's really pattern related where you're sequencing up from the A flat to the B flat, A flat, sequence up. So the same intervals, just a new note you're starting on. The third line, that one's pretty simple. Start on D and E flat. We're gonna hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Rest, rest. And we got this. So that's like really the same thing as that top line where that appears. That kind of also that happens on the second line. So we kind of have this reoccurring theme. Line 4 is very similar, almost exactly the same as line 2, except line 4 you have this interesting little note called a grace note right before that E flat at measure 14. So that means you just kind of crush it together a little bit, play it really fast. So line 4 is going to go. So that you kind of just boom, kind of push it, and it's fun. Then we have A flat, B flat, C flat, B flat, A flat, B flat, C, D, C, B flat. So again, we have. All right, so just for fun, I'll play this, hands together. And it goes probably faster when I'm going to do it, but we're going to go a little slower so you can kind of see where things fit. Whoa, that was a mess up. Let me start at second line. So that's the idea. It's kind of a really fun one. All right.